So if you want to export Metafields, the first thing you're going to want to do is scroll down where it says Edit App Settings. Go ahead and give that a click. Scroll down and change the namespace to whatever your namespace you're currently using for your Metafields. By default, it's set to global, but it can be set to whatever you want. Then you go ahead and click Save. Go back and click Export to CSV. Select the Shopify object that you want to export your Metafield data on. So by default, this is product, but it could be any of the Shopify objects that exist. Click Export, and then you'll get an email containing a CSV file with all of your Metafield data that you can use. So if you want to import via CSV file, the first thing you're going to do is scroll down and make sure you're working on the right namespace. So click Edit App Settings, adjust your custom namespace here, and once that's set, go back, click Import from CSV file, upload your CSV file here, and then select the object type you want to work with. So that could be product, variant, article, any of the Shopify objects that are available to you. If you need help getting a CSV file set up, you can download an example file here. And you could also export an existing CSV file with all of your data, modify it, and then import that file for easy use. So if you want to add Metafields to a specific product, what you're going to want to do is click Edit your Metafield configuration, add the handle for your Metafield and the type, then click Add Metafields, select the product, and select the value for the Metafield. In this case, our example is a packaging instructions for a 3PL, but it could be anything that your business needs. Press Save, and the Metafield is added. If you're working with multiple stores, say for example a development storefront and a production storefront, then you may want to migrate all of your Metafield configuration as well as your Metafield data from one store to another. The way you do this is you scroll down and you click Generate Export File on the store that has all of your data and export the metadata. You'll receive an email with the data from that store. Then what you would do is log into the production store or the store without all of the data that you want to migrate to and click Import from Export File. Here you're going to want to import the export.json file that you received from the previous step. If you would like to work with a Metafield via an API call, you would try the following. First, click Edit your Metafield configuration. In this case, we're using a customer Metafield called Age. Click Configure. Enable the setting labeled Allow this Metafield to be updated from other domains and press Save. Now go to your settings and make sure that your API settings are enabled and that you've added your domain to the whitelist. Once you've done this, you can click the link here to learn about how to make API calls to update your Metafields. So as you can see, Metafields Manager is very useful if you want to make a lot of bulk edits to your Metafield data, or if you want to migrate data from one store to another, or if you want to use our built-in dashboard to manage data. It's entirely up to you. You can use this Metafield data for a variety of purposes. Every business is different, but we're happy to work with you. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thanks for your time.